Proper hand washing is one of the best ways to protect yourself, your friends, and your family from getting sick. Washing your hands is easy, and it's one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Clean hands can stop germs from spreading from one person to another and protect those in schools, workplaces, and homes. To wash your hands properly, first wet your hands with clean, warm, running water and apply soap to your hands. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Next, lather the back of your hands thoroughly, then move to washing between your fingers. Don't forget to scrub underneath your fingernails. Rinse your hands under clean, running water until all the soap is washed away. Finally, dry your hands with either a clean paper towel or with an air dryer. You should wash your hands before, during, and after preparing food, before eating food, after using the restroom, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose. Remember, washing your hands is one of the best ways to protect yourself and those around you from spreading germs. Let's keep those hands clean. For more resources on proper hand washing and preventing the spread of germs, visit www.cdc.gov.